Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to clean an Aquascape filtration system. And at the very top, we've got the main filtration for it. So after turning off the pump, what I do is start dismantling it, take off the rocks, and depending on how old your Aquascape system is, some of them have a tray at the top. So you're going to pull that out. Okay, so inside we usually have, there should be, depending on the system you have, 1 or 2 bags of some type of lava rock or gravel that's in a nylon bag. Set that to the side. And it should be between 2 and 3 pads. As you see, their pads are completely packed. And there's usually a bottom tray like that. So what we'll do is we'll take the pads, go rinse them off, get them as clean as possible, and also rinse the bag of gravel off. And what we like to also do is suck up all the dirty water out of the filter itself, so it's going to be nice and fresh. Alright, so after taking out all the filter pads and stuff, make sure you suck out all that dirty water out of the top. We're just using a nice shot vac, 6.5 horsepower one, but you could do it with a smaller shot vac. Try to get all the sludge at the bottom. Just get it nice and clean so it doesn't have mud coming up and out after you turn it back on. And then we'll start applying the clean pads back as soon as it's clean. So we just use a water hose. Some people tell you to use pond water to clean them, but you know, these things get so dirty, and if your pond's already established, rinsing them off with a garden hose I don't find hurting the ecosystem. Just add a nice bacteria back to the pond once you're done cleaning it. Add a beneficial bacteria that'll help seed it again. If you do want to use pond water, just get in a bucket of water and keep dunking it until it comes out clean. So you just keep doing it until they start to look normal again. Some pads are white, some are black, and either way, just clean them until all that chocolate milk comes out of them. Even hit them on the ground, shake them off best you can. And they collect a lot of mud, a lot of fish waste, a lot of dead algae. And then you'll rinse out the rocks as well. Okay, so the second part of the filtration is a skimmer. So what we're going to do is take the lid off. And again, there's different models. This one's got a hard basket at the top. I'm going to pull that out. I usually fill the leaves and algae and stuff. And at the bottom there should be a filter pad that gets very dirty. You want to pull that out as well. So guys are going to go clean all that stuff up. Pretty much your skimmer system is a weekly type of maintenance. You want to pull that filter pad and basket out probably every week for most ponds. The upper waterfall filter, which is your main filter, depends on the pond. It's at least a once a month type of cleaning. I know a lot of the builders out there will tell you, you know, you don't have to clean the filter for a year. That's just not true. You know, once the pads get dirty, the water just rolls around the pads and don't go through it anymore. So it needs to be done at least once a month. All right, guys, I hope that helps with the Aquascape system. If you maintain them properly, they will work for you just fine. So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.